Hey guys, it's Delphi here again, and I'm on my character doing map completion and not killing anything. And I'm in Frostgorge Sound, because I have that and the ore maps left, yay! Oh, there's a commander there. I hope, Jormik, because I really meant to check that, but anyways. Or Claw of Jormik, whatever. I changed my look. This is the Decade armor, actually. Kinda, well, you can see my fishes, but anyways, I kinda like it. I don't like the heavy boots, so I'm wearing sandals in the snow. Just, you know, magic. Also, my internet has been the dumb today, to put it bluntly, so I'm hoping I don't have a bunch of disconnects. But if I do, I'm sorry. And, yeah, I just want to wait, because, you know, I only have so much time where I can do this kind of thing, so I'm gonna do this. So here I go. Oh, I didn't check how many I have. 11... Hearts, not bad. Points of interest 20, meh. So yeah, kind of average for the rest of it. So yeah, here we go. Frostgorge Sound. 4 more maps. Ooh. But like I said, I'm gonna do, you know, the living world stuff. So I think I'll start with, just, you know, as a little side here. Probably I'll go into, you know, dry top. Oh, I hope I can get in there. It does say it's an 80 zone, but I'm hoping I can get in there because I know you can go in from, I checked from in here somewhere. Down in here to dry top and silver waste, so yeah. I'm gonna equip my gathering tools. Oh, I'm having lag. Okay. Come on, internet. Well, that's awkward. Ugh. I don't think it's the game, I think it's my internet, but everything else seems to be okay. It's just really annoying. I'm gonna pop onto my sky scale like randomly here in a second. Nope, disconnected. Alright, one sec. Wow, I'm all the way back here. Okay, let's see if it equipped my things. It did. That's good.
They're coming for the main gate.
Oh dear. Yeah, well that's not gonna help, is it, Jormik? Damn it. I'm gonna go the other way then. I'm gonna get this Vista though.
Back to the cannons. Blast the beast out of the sky.
I'm frozen. Oh, it's a nice view. Oh, there we go. I'm so pretty. Okay, I'm out of here. I'm down in this little cavern thing. I don't think there's much in this little cavern thing. Yeah, Vista.
We'll need runners to the forward bases.
Back in the day when we didn't have as many, I mean there's nodes, but back in the day when we didn't have as many farming options, people used to farm, like there was bosses down in here and in this map and in the ore maps too. That was fun. Where's this Vista? Is it right here? There. It's kind of invisible, I know. Yeah, my internet connection's stable and the game's like, haha, world boss, bitch. But anyways. I think down in this cave system, somewhere around in here, there was, or is, a champion troll or something, so it's to be farmed a lot. Now there's silver waste and drizzlewood and all the living world stuff. Just more maps for people to be on, so. Oh, I hit a point.
You won't find repose here.
Oops, I went past it. Oh, she wants me to fight her. Oh my god.
Cunning to outwit my prey.
Yeah? Outwit. Whatever. I could fight you. Don't feel like it. Ooh, another Vista. I really did mean to check whether Jormik was happening, but I forgot. I was like, okay, internet, stable, let's go. Any of them come in any heart quests yet? I think there's one here. Ish. Oh, I wish this would not show. I don't even have them clicked, I swear. Okay, let's see here. Destroy effigies, light supplies on fire, ignite stolen explosives. Ew. I guess I should look around. Campfire ashes, take brand. Boom, that was loud. Is this an event? I think that event might count, so I'm gonna grab them.
Receive the light.
Sort of interacting with everything here. Lighting shit on fire randomly. Oh. Dying. You know, no big deal. Oh no, I actually did die. Shit. Oops. Well, I got that one, so there we go.
Standing. Barely.
Still standing barely. I'm on the ground. Calm down. Okay. Oh, you know things are getting serious when. My Minnie, how dare you hide it? Oh, I guess I lost it when I, you know, died. Probably. Oh, I need time to find a lighter. Wow. Do lighters exist in the Guild Wars universe? I feel like they don't. Let's see if these little Norn supplies count. Oh, it did. Good. Hey, look. Just a random torch on the ground. I like it. Gonna grab as many supplies. I think that's best. Then I can get that event too. Oh.
Hurts, doesn't it? Advance.
Alright, hopefully that's enough.
Advance.
Yay, two birds and one stone. I'd like to get those nodes, but yeah. I don't think that's gonna happen. Oh, well, there you go. Completed events. I actually finished all of the decade achievements. And then accidentally I was just like, oh, I'm gonna go to Cursed Shore because I know there's a lot of events down in there, and, you know, why not? And it was a daily, so I was like extra happy about that. Ooh, and I leveled up. I am level 70. I'm gonna get a male. And Ritlock are fighting. We should just kiss and make up.
The sons of Svanir think they hold sway here. We aim to show them otherwise.
I mean, there's a lot of the Sons of Svanir, so they probably are not wrong. Oh, fuck, I forgot this one. There's like death here. Why somebody would have a white tag? I guess it's showing up here, but like why you would have a white tag in the snow zone, I don't know. But anyways, I hope there's a lot of banners for me to destroy.
Advance.
Okay, good. I can get in there. I was like, is that open? Guess I don't need that torch anymore. I might die in here. It's gonna suck.
Receive the light.
I don't know why that happened either. Just random buttons. I'm sorry. everybody in my friends list.
Charge!
You have much to learn, Jorman.
Receive the light.
I feel like this is a preview of what's gonna go down in ore, like a lot.
Testing my hunting prowess against a Coden.
Oh, there's a thingy up there.
Charge!
Point of interest, I guess. Words are hard.
Run, hide, we'll find you.
Later, bitches. And I'm randomly out of combat. Okay, you know what? Not even gonna argue with it right now. Didn't miss a vista or anything. Nope. Okay, good. No, but there's another art quest.
Advance!
Let's pick that one. Oh, look, people to revive. Oop, and a cliff to fall down. Oh, I'll take this down. Where is this heart quest even? Oh, over here. Okay. Oh, damn it! I was out of combat and then that thing hit me. Now I have to figure out how to get up here. Jeez. Better leave me alone while I'm reviving these people. So rude. So rude. Oh, it's fighting that Doliac now. Or something's fighting that Doliac. Just casually revive this guy. Oh, am I lagging? Okay, a little bit. Well, this guy apparently has a problem with it, but whatever. Let's get this guy up.
Receive the light.
That did count. That better have counted. Oh, I was like, where'd the ice shard go? And then just like, smash. Oh dear. Oh no, let me live. Oh, no, I'm dead.
You'll be feeling that one for days.
Yes, yes I will.
This is getting
It's because I'm wearing
serious.
sandals, isn't it? Alright, where am I going here? Okay, oh, and I can just come up this way. Yeah. I'm gonna avoid that if I can.
Excuse me, do you have a moment?
Jesus. I just came out of nowhere. He scared me, y'all. Another flag stand. I like when there's no enemies around the stuff. It makes my life easier. Well, let's see. Guy's kind of walking away. If I don't aggro him, then this might be relatively easy because it goes like that. It goes faster when you aren't in combat. That Doliac's like, yeah, fuck around and find out, bruh. Oh, I was gonna say, is he gonna not fight them? And then he just slow
Time to do
motion
some
ran
real
in?
damage.
Like, that was kind of weird, but it was. Yes, I already got that one. Okay. Oh, there's one. Oh, did I not get that? I thought I did. Eh. I mean, if it respawned, that's great.
Excuse me, do you have
Just
a
take
moment?
me. I do not have a moment. Leave me alone. Oh, they respawned. Okay. Yes, as I say, there was some up here, and I'm like, yay. Can this do it? Maybe? Maybe? Oh. So close. Alright, 3 of 11. 3. Oh, that's right, the one that I died in. Well, the other one that I died in. Alright, let's keep going this way. Oh, it doesn't look like there's a cave there. Okay. Or no, there has to be because there's that quag. And is it underwater? I don't think I've ever... I don't want to go in there because there's a champion that's going to eat my face, but... Just, you know, go up here instead. I'm really curious, though. The snow is, like, hitting my eyeballs. Break. Drop, because I don't want it. Bruh, come on.
You'll be feeling that one for days.
Did I get those code and supplies in my... I did. Oh, it's a frozen fish. That's weird looking.
Advance! Receive the light. Charge!
Oh wow, that took a chunk of health. And that's a veteran. I'm gonna die. Look at all these people I can revive. Maybe. Maybe? Maybe, maybe? Yeah, I'm gonna combat. Yes. Come on.
Receive the
Seriously.
light.
These dredge are so rude. This guy, really? He's following me? Okay, whatever. At least this guy's not also shooting at me. Oh god, I was like, I just need to heal up, and then I spawned a dude. That's cool. Well, he's gonna definitely chase me, okay. Is the HeartQuest guy dead? That's great. Sad face. Help Infinite Mind. Yep, there he is. He did. Well, that's unfortunate. That's a bummer. Alright, I'm sorry. I had to. Where was I? Oh, yeah. I always hate this one. Yeah, this one and the other one, kind of, where you have to get into the dredge suit. It's in the cave, too. It sucks a little bit. No. I'll do that later because I don't want there to be a dormant in another map, you know? My internet's being good right now, so... I just want to see what's over here. Oh shit, there is a cave. Wow. Cool. Figure, you know, if I'm exploring, I should explore. I feel like that stupid thing is just never gonna end, so I might as well just try to do what I can in here.
Advance!
At least picking up the code and supplies can- okay, what the fuck?
Receive the light.
Advance!
Do not approve of this at all. I helped Infinite Mind, meanwhile he's over there dead as fuck. I'm hoping I can break aggro and then revive that guy, but I need to break aggro first. Hey, hey, this guy's following me. This guy's gonna get pissed now. Whatever. And I'm dead. What level was this on again? 70. Well, I mean... these guys are 74. Yeah, you know. I'm gonna die a lot. It's gonna be a thing. Ugh, and that's just gonna keep coming. Whatever, I'll do it. You like this, you know, picture. Actually, it's a neat picture. That's the dungeon area, I think. Or no, they have a couple of these little things, don't they? There's a name for them. I can't remember what it is, but there's a name for them. Alright, back to the Cave of Doom here. Where am I going? The supplies are respawning pretty quick. Oh, no, I'm stuck. Oh no.
Advance!
I'm just not gonna revive people here. It's fine. Sorry, Coden dudes. You're dead. Did that Staglamite not do anything? Well, that sucks. Thought it did, the first one. Eh. Well, that's less than ideal.
This is getting serious.
Advance!
Receive the light.
Supplies. Okay, I'm gonna get the supplies, and then I'm just gonna run.
Charge!
Hope that I'm running towards the other area. I think I am.
Charge!
Receive the light.
Okay, should be safe-ish soon. Yeah, here's the other one that sucks, but I'm gonna come up here and get this Rebel Isaac. This thingy first. Waypoint? I know what words are. It's fine. Where does that go? Snowden. Didn't know that. Kinda wanna go through it now, but I won't.
Return to the mines. We'll bring up more supplies in a while.
Alright, click
We
that.
seek to overthrow the mine's tyrannical leaders. Will you stand with us?
Sure.
Comrade.
Okay. I know that there's some combat stuff on this, but I know I can also do, like, there's cogs that I can lift, and I think you, like, yeah, you inspire oppressed workers.
Brothers,
Yeah.
stand tall. Today we show the oppressors
There's a
what
heart.
true freedom is.
I don't know why I sound like a dredge,
You
though.
there.
That's kind of weird.
Share your knowledge and I will share mine.
Oh, well, no. Yeah, now you take these cogs down into this ventilation system, and then all this fog goes away, which is nice. Place the cog in the machine.
Brothers, stand tall. Today we show the oppressors what true freedom is.
Brothers and sisters. Just saying, there's probably female dredge. I mean, yeah. Alright, so that one's not broken anymore, but there's still one more, so I just find some more cogs. And every time, I hate that that's such a long cooldown. Like, why? There's some more cogs.
You there. Share
Oh,
your
shut
knowledge
up.
and I will share mine. Brothers, stand tall.
He's all
Today we
happy.
show the oppressors what true freedom is.
Oh, there's another one. What does this do? Oh, repair. Okay. Like, is that a heal? I want to make sure before I click on things now. I've learned that lesson. Oh, good. Why? Leave me alone.
Brothers, stand tall. Today we show the oppressors what
Oh,
true
that guy's
freedom
just
is.
sleeping. Is this? See, look how far they're following me. Why?
You there. Share your knowledge and I will share mine.
Clearly the same voice actor, just saying. He's trying to break aggro. Hopefully Okay. Hopefully he goes away and leaves me alone.
Brothers, stand tall. Today we
That's,
show the oppressors what true freedom is.
That's super annoying. Like, please be more repetitive. There's probably more over here, but I know there's enemies. Oh yeah, there are more over here. Okay, oh, there's a cannon, but that's fine. Cannon can't chase me anyways. That dredge dude will follow me until the end of time, apparently. So, look, see? Like, dude. That was, not what I wanted to hit. I don't know what I just did. Anyways. And I'm dead. Oh, I had two of them. Okay. That's cool. I don't think my armor is super unleveled. Oops. Yeah, 65. Like, yeah, it could be 70, but you know what? Like, really? Alright, well, I'm almost done, though. So, I can sing the song of the people. Make the little hearts come up. I'd like a mining suit. I don't know if that disturbed ground is part of this. Let's find out. Yes. Script Forager, what the f... What are you doing over here, bro?
You bring me something?
I'm here to free you. Take care, bye. Did I free him? I did free him. Good.
I've never been free before.
Aw.
What should I do now?
Okay, that's depressing. What do I have in my hand? Oh, I must have a cog.
You there. Share your knowledge and I will share mine.
You there, shut up and I will walk away and not do anything. See? I like how it actually changes. Oh, I don't really want to go over here. This guy's mean, but oh well. Okay, well I don't know what I have in my hand then, but I'm mad about that. Why didn't it heal me? Do I have to stand still? That's stupid. Wow. Okay, well that's obnoxious, and I'm stuck. Okay. And I didn't put this cog in the machine. Cool.
Brothers, stand tall. Today we show the oppressors what true freedom is.
I've never had to dodge roll in this thing before. It's like, whee! Oh, of course that time it just ran. Of course it did. There, like that.
Brothers,
Oh, so close. Okay.
today we show the oppressors what true freedom is.
Oh, I can put it into this one and then not aggro that dude, which is... yay. Okay, and... return. Oh, and I aggro something. Fuck.
Charge! We stand.
Okay, because I know, yeah, there's a point of interest, and then there's that one's under, like, you have to go down into the cavern, but this vista is gonna be a little bit of a bitch. Whew, got it before I went into aggro. Nice. Okay, got the point of interest, and I need that one. And then I'm done with this stupid cave. Where's the water? Alright, well, it is about that time, so I am going to stop the video here, and, yeah, see you in the next part, where I'm just gonna keep going and get the hell out of this cave, because this cave kind of sucks. Anyways, see you later.